How to import campaigns into workflows. If you have a campaign you wish to integrate into the workflow builder, you can easily import it following a few simple steps. By importing a campaign into the workflow, you can further customize it with multiple triggers, paths, and more, giving you more automation control over your business. Step 1 is to create a workflow and import the campaign. You'll navigate to the workflow section and click plus create workflow. Then you'll choose import from a campaign, and from the drop-down list, pick which campaign you want to import. Click plus create new workflow to import the campaign. You'll be redirected into the workflow builder, and here the workflow will be created from the imported campaign automatically. Make sure you save the workflow and publish the workflow in order for it to run. Now you're all set. You know how to import campaigns into workflows. It's as easy as that.